Hey, what's up, y'all? Charles, AllCoastLawncare&pressurewashing. Hey, if you saw my video about 2 videos before this one, I did a quote on this yard, so I'm about to do it right now. Got overgrown edges all the way around the corner, the driveway. He wants the yard touched up. He just moved in, so it's gonna be $280. I quoted at $80 for full service lawn care, $200 for overgrown edges. Okay. So let me take you a real quick view. Let me show you what we got. All right, so the grass isn't that bad. I'm gonna drop it to 2 inches to get all these pop-ups out. Make sure you do before and after pictures or before video of any damages. Here's the overgrown edging right here, y'all. This is like overgrown. All right. So what I forgot to do, get an extra edger blade from the house. So the one I got isn't too dull, but I'll probably be struggling with it though, because over here, overgrown all the way up to that 25 speed limit sign right there. Here's the backyard. All right, I'm gonna knock it out and I'll be back. I'll show you the after results. Okay, so just got done with the edger. So my blade was good enough, but here's the aftermath right now. So I'm just getting the shovel. I'm just scraping it, all right? I could just scrape it off now. It just peels off. All right. So that's why I don't low bar so for overgrown edges, because it takes a toll on her edger and her shoulders, all right, with that edger and the shovel, okay? All right, here. I'm gonna get the shovel and just scrape off all the edges over there, okay? All right, I pretty much shoveled it all out after I edged it. I'm gonna go over it one more time with the edger, okay? So that's edging, shoveling, scraping with the shovel, then edge it again, okay, to touch it up. Here I go. All right, I already blew all the debris onto the grass. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and string trim this whole sidewalk real quick and along the house, and then I'm gonna mow. All right, I'll see you in a bit. All right, I'm done edging, y'all. Okay, so I did along the sidewalk, all that grass that was popping out in the cracks, along the driveway, and inside the backyard, and around the house and the fence, okay? So now I'm gonna go ahead and mow. Let's go. All right, y'all, I just got done mowing. So I'm just gonna go back around and get these little stubborn spots. I just throw them in the trailer. All right, there you go, y'all. $280. This is a new customer for the 2024 lawn care season. $80 for full service lawn care. That's mowing, edging, and string trimming. Okay. Mowing the front and back, edging along the sidewalk, the street curb, and the driveway, and their walkway, and string trimming along the house and their fence, front fence and back fence. Okay, and any obstacles like that little flower bed over there with that creep myrtle. Hey, tell me what you think, y'all. Here's the driveway. So that's why it's always good to carry a shovel. You got to edge first, then scrape it off. It just peels off, okay, once you edge it. All right. You can go back and forth with the edger, but your shoulder's gonna get tired. Your shoulder's gonna get tired no matter what, okay? all this excess right here, these little dark spots, that's that excess edging that I scooped back to the grass, and I mowed over it. Okay, I just mowed over it, mulched it back to the soil. All right, if you see any excess right there, we're gonna get rain this week. The rain will make that disappear, but no matter what, it's soil back to the ground. This right here, I'm just gonna have to maintain this right here. Okay, you gotta be careful, right? When cars are driving around, you don't want a rock or anything to flick and hit a windshield or somebody. All right, there's the edge all the way to the fence over there, right past that speed limit sign. Okay, and the mower deck was at 2 1/4 inches height. All right, I don't want to go too down because I never mowed the yard before, so I don't want to scalp it. Check out the back. We did have this popped open with that rock, so I'm gonna go and close it since I'm the last one here. I'm responsible for anybody coming to this back gate. That's just me. That fence is leaning over there. There's the back, y'all. Okay. I started at 4 o'clock, 4 p.m. It's 5:20 right now, so a little over an hour, y'all. All right, to clean up the edging and give them a good full-service lawn care of mowing, string trimming, along with the edging that we just did. Hey, so tell me what you think. Leave a comment. Please like and subscribe. I'm going to secure it since I'm the last one here, even though it was propped open by a rock. Hey, tell me what you think, y'all. Hey, never quit or give up. Get that Google page, y'all. All right, y'all got to get that Google page. It's important, okay? Get that Google profile. I use Yardbook. The free Google website's going away, but you can still get the profile for free. All right, so I use Yardbook to send invoices, receive payments, and to schedule, to measure properties, measure how much mulch I need. All right, but it also has a free website for you. Okay, so I just got done modifying the website I have. I added pictures on there. You could transfer your reviews from your Google profile to there. Other than that, y'all, it's easy, man. Once you're done with it, copy the link to the Yardbook website, and save it to the Google profile. All right, and bam, and they're looking for you to see on Google profile. They're gonna see a website. They're gonna click it, and they're gonna see your Yardbook website in there. Okay, so hey, tip for you, okay, for 2024. Hey, get your Google profile page, add pictures to it. If you ask for reviews, reply to your reviews. Also, there's questions and answers on there. Okay, just fill in questions and answer them. All right, for people who are asking questions. How often should I do my lawn care? All right, you download that app, Chat GPT. Put it in there and it'll answer for you, okay? And then you put that inside that answer in your Google profile. All right, hey, you got to work on a Google profile. It's SEO, right? Search engine optimization, or artificial intelligence. It's all up in the pictures, the reviews. Okay, so get that Google profile up so you could get on top of the list. All right. Hey, thanks for watching. God bless. See you on the next video. Bye.